Anyways, guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Let me try to focus on this. There we go. Today we're gonna be reviewing the new Lego Star Wars Clone Trooper pack. So yeah, pretty cool. I mean, I only got this for the figures. I'm pretty sure everybody does. I don't think anybody cares for the gun, but you know, whatever. I also got one of these little minifigures of Series 24. I know I made a separate video of them, but I was gonna only get a few of these. But when I saw that, I knew I had to get that. And yeah, and I was making sure I would find a dinosaur because he's my favorite. And I found a specific part. Where is it? Right here. I feel what literally feels like an opening mouth, and I swear I feel these teeth. So, if this isn't... I don't think this is the one, actually, now. Anyways, I really don't care which one it is, because I haven't gotten any of these yet. So, it's impossible to get duplicate, because I haven't gotten any yet. So, hold on. Alright, let's see what I got. Okay, oh my god. I got the carrot guy. That's what I felt. Oh my god, it was not the dinosaur. I want the dinosaur, but, you know, it's fine. Got carrot dude. And he even has hair in case if you wanna, you know, change it out. He has... Oh, it's a farmer. That's cool. But you can also make it the carrot, which has pretty nice looking carrot. Oh. Hold on. Farmer's market. Now I can have this be like a little troll dude and like... actually, no, I was gonna go with my other things, like my special series. There we go. The hair, I guess I could just use it for some other figure. So, yeah. Pretty cool. Just gonna place him, like, you know what, I'm just gonna put him over here. Anyways, for the main reason I'm doing this video, this guy. So, let's get into that. Oh. Oh my god! All the figures are in one bag? I mean, I know this is a small thing, but... Dang! Oh. Alright. It's gonna be a bit of a long video. Alright. Let's open this baby up. There we go. Pretty small pile, not gonna lie. This guy's, I guess, just gonna hold this up for me. Alright. Which clone trooper? Does it matter? Oh yeah, it does, because they had different... Alright. Gotta find, Alright, I think these are the right legs. Now I gotta find the right torso. It's not it. That's not it. Huh. Wait a second. Okay. The heads are all the same, so that doesn't matter. Pretty cool clone trooper. Yeah. Let's see, get this piece in here. Oh, it's not going in, bro. Going in! Give me a second. Alright, there we go. This isn't the right gun. Where is... Oh, here it is. There we go. Pretty quiet, actually, now that I think about it. It's kind of awkward. Ow. I just noticed I scraped my foot when I was at the pool, and that sucks. Pretty cool, dude. Nice. This is actually pretty boring. I'm just being so quiet. But, you know, just gotta focus. All right, next page. See what we got. Oh, this is gonna be an interesting one. All right, we need to get the legs. Probably that dude. There we go. Oh, I got a burp coming in. Here it comes. Never mind, it didn't come in loud. But it's like a metal. No, it's not. I think all the helmets are the same. I think that's the only difference. Like, all the helmets are the exact same, bro. Whoa, this is a huge pistol. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So, oh wait, forgot his visor. There we go. Dope. Next page. Wait, what? Oh. Oh. That one almost didn't want to go on. Where is this visor? Oh, here it is. Wait. Yep, it's this way. Sorry. Sorry if you guys find this video kind of boring. Usually the Lego videos aren't this long. But, dang, bro, this one's taking quite a while. These visors are so annoying. Why don't they just come on already, like with the Lego itself? I don't get that. Bro. Finally! I got it on. After being too damn patient, bro. Too damn patient. Oh, there we go. There's this guy. And then the final dude, huh? Oh, it's a duplicate, the other one. Okay, so there's one duplicate. That's kind of lame, but I mean, whatever. At least the duplicate is my favorite character. It's pretty dope and cool looking. Oh no! I just put the head on and it wasn't supposed to go on yet. I forgot this piece. No. How am I gonna get that on, bro? Like, how am I gonna do it? Man, this is bad. This is very bad. Trying to get the pistol. Oh, this guy from before, they gave him an extra pistol, so yeah, I'm trying to get it on. Oh my god, my friend just said, do you want to play Roblox? Hold on. There we go. Managed to get the head off. I had to literally bite the head off, bro. So, oof. pretty good. Oh, good enough for me. Hopefully this visor isn't as tricky. Oh, there we go. Just as easily. Oh, I already have one right here, but whatever. Just an extra, I guess. You know, I guess I could upgrade some of my others. Can I have a few other clone troopers? And only a few of them have the option where you can put a visor on. And I guess I could put some on those, so that'd be pretty cool. I'm not gonna do the build. I'll do that not in the recording. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and make sure you go to the farmers market.